Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use gift card on Zalando or how to use Zalando gift card. Pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zalando account. And then the next thing I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own account on Zalando. It's easy. Launch in the browser of your choice. Now once you launch your browser, the next thing is look for the search bar. In the search bar type zalando.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Zalando. Once you get into the website, all you need to do is to follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. On successfully creating your account is going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a little features to have an exciting time on Zalando. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to use Zalando gift card. So from here and from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you're going to see this human icon. So once you click on that, you're going to see an extended menu here that says your account, others, return an item, help and contact. Go ahead and click on your account. Now once you click on your account, it's going to take you to your personalized settings where we can now of course make changes to this account. So now that we're here, head over to the left corner of the screen. You're going to see a few headings here: overview, others, return an item, returns, personal details, addresses, gift cards, newsletters, and all. So go ahead and click on gift cards. So once you click on gift cards, it's going to take you to a new window where you can now use your Zalando gift card. So this is Zalando gift card and it's a gift card total. You have like €0. Oh, so shamefully, but not so shamefully because this account is new, so I can go ahead and load up my balance. So now it says you can use your total to pay in part or in full for future orders, and this cannot be exchanged for cash or some. So here it says got a gift card, so enter gift card code to redeem it and add it to your total, and you can pay with this at checkout. So you can use this, all right, at checkout. So here all you need to do is to enter your gift card code. All right, enter a gift card code. Of course, check a gift card. If it's a physical card or if it's an online card, you're going to see the code regardless. So go ahead and enter your gift card code and then click on redeem gift card. And once you click on redeem gift card, you're going to see that your gift card balance will gonna be what's it called, spiked. Of course, it's going to be increased. You're going to spike your gift card balance. So you're gonna load up gift card balance, gonna be increased. All right, so enter your gift card code, click on redeem gift card, and this is going to change to the exact balance that is on your gift card. Now once you do that, you will now be able to use your gift card at checkout. What does checkout mean? Of course, when you place an order for a product, click on the product, and then once you get to the checkout page, you're going to see an option for you to use your gift card. So in the card details or card details section, go ahead and enter your gift card details, and once you enter your gift card details, then you'll now be able to use that to check out. Or once you get to the last phase of the checkout, you're going to see an option for you to use your, of course, your gift card balance. All right, so apart from PayPal and your card details, you're going to see an option for you to use your gift card balance or voucher. All right, so just follow through with that, and that's just going to be all for that. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.